Welcome back to Money Channel. I'm your host, Aaron, and today I'm going to talk about ticker symbol NVDA and NVDL. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so you must do your own due diligence. With that said, I'm going to continue. So, Trump decided to allow Jensen, the CEO of Nvidia, to sell the H2O processor chip to China. However, China is now halting or rejecting the chip. So, Nvidia decided to cut back on the chip. Now, two analysts, one named Bard, decided to hike the price of Nvidia from 195 to 225. Another decided to hike the price of Nvidia per share from 202 to 212. So the additionally the earnings that people are expecting, they're anticipating about 1.01 shares, price per share on the sales of 53.36 billion. So everybody is actually anticipating it, and people are very optimistic at the current moment right now. So there's going to be mixed market data and sentiment because, again, you have the H2O processor dilemma in China, but at the same time, NVIDIA has been doing really well, and analysts are now increasing the prices of NVIDIA shares in total. Okay, so again, they're like, oh, Nvidia is doing well. We believe that this now should be the share price. Instead of 195, let's increase it to 225. Instead of 202, let's increase it to 212. Okay, so pretty much there's excellent sentiment so far about the projected price Nvidia could reach, but at the same time, we don't know what's happening with the H2O chip, which is very problematic. So, and keep in mind, because NVIDIA is part of the Mag 7, Magnificent 7, and is holding up the S&P 500, pretty much the market needs needs NVIDIA to go up because of all the crazy data that has been coming out. So a lot of economic data has been coming out lately regarding, for example, possible rate hike in September. Today, the firing of Cook. Then you have like job losses. So it's just everything has been crazy because of economic data the past week and a half. So that's why everybody's counting on Nvidia at the current moment. So at the current moment, I have 252 shares of ticker symbol NVDL, which is a leverage ETF that is 2x bullish of NVIDIA. Please keep in mind, as I said in my previous video, um, be aware with leverage ETFs. It's leverage ETFs are very risky and they're not for everyone. So I will be staying up late tonight because it trades on EXTO. So EXTO pretty much is all night because China. So for example, China, Singapore, the rest of Asia, they're just now starting to wake up. So it should be, I think, maybe about 7 a.m. their time, currently speaking. So it's currently live trading. Okay. So I'm going to turn my head to look at the screen, and I'm currently up or fluctuating between 193 through $200 at the current moment as my P&L. But again, it's fluctuating because we have Asia up. So anything can change at a moment's notice. When I wake up, that's going to be a total different number. When I woke up this morning, it was actually negative. So my shares were negative, and then they were slowly becoming positive throughout the day. So now that we are actually on the horizon of NVIDIA earnings, I expect them to be more positive, back to its normal from what I bought it at. So that's what I've got for you guys. If you want, I could show you guys my screen. So just give me a moment.
Okay, guys. So if you see here, I have here NVDL, quantity 252, trade price is 90.38, mark is 91.15, and then I have here the P&L open is 193.53. So like I said, it's going to keep fluctuating. When I wake up, it's going to fluctuate, and then throughout tomorrow's day, it's going to fluctuate as we get closer to the earnings after hours tomorrow. So if you like my channel, please subscribe. Ciao, guys.